But Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls is joining in now for a quick chart check and also with some trading ideas. Sacchitanand, good afternoon. Thank you for joining in. Would you use this dip as a buying opportunity? The key levels on the charts for the Nifty, and of course your stock recommendations for the afternoon as well.
Good afternoon, almost. Good afternoon, Mangalam. Clearly, if you look at the 60 minutes, setup, it looks like a lower top, lower bottom sequence. So for the Nifty, at least the trend remains bearish. If you look at the Nifty IT, the index itself has given a decisive breakdown. Even if you look at its daily RSI, it has started trending below its 50 mark. So it is a sign of caution. And if you look at the supports placed for the Nifty IT index, they are well placed at around 32,500 kind of a zone where its 50 months exponential moving average is placed. So I think there could be further pressure during this particular week from this particular index. On the other side, Nifty Bank has a decent support at around 50,000 mark, probably, which will help it absorb some of the selling pressure from the Nifty IT. But if you look at the Nifty itself, I think there's a clear-cut low top, low bottom sequence. 23,350 now looks like a resistance for the day. And on the lower side, we may see Nifty slipping towards that 23,000 mark. So it's better to keep a long short equation. The advanced decline scenario is also healthy, but it's better to keep a long short equation. Last week we highlighted a trade setup in trend. When the stock was expected to trend above its 50-day exponential moving average. Now, if you look at the current setup, there's a strong continuation of long build-ups here. The stock is now trending towards its 200-day exponential moving average, which is placed somewhere close to around 57.90. If you look at the ADX itself, is turning towards that breakout zone, and there's a clear-cut bullish flag formation breakout on its 60 minutes chart, which is exactly matching the price target placed at 57.80. So we are recommending building long positions here. The stop loss for the trade can be placed at 54.60 and the trading target towards 57.80. And on the short side, SRF has displayed a kind of a dark cloud cover on its weekly chart. We are expecting a pullback towards 27.40, and that's why we have recommended building short positions to our clients as well. So SRF at 28.80 on a pullback towards 2900, fresh short positions can be deployed. The stop loss for the trade can be placed at 29.40 on a closing basis, and we may see a swing towards 27.40 during this week.
Trent and SRF. Sacchitanand, thank you so much for joining in with your views on the index and on specific stocks as well. Trent, though, continuing to buck the trend for the index, though, down, gaining over 4% in a index that is down over 1.25%.